So let's analyze the market today, BTC. Monday seems in generic, I would say. It would be on a downward position. In 2024, all the Mondays have been like that. So let's see where we are. We'll go to 4 hours time frame and see we are still in the upward channel and still finding some kind of support here on upward channel, but I still feel like there is no bullish scenario. Bullish scenario is on a macro level. Let's say if we see weekly, weekly has a nice bounce area, and this might suggest we would, by this week we might start moving maybe around the pivot, which is 18th of September, and where should we have the pullback target? So let's see. Okay. So if we break this area, uh, there are two scenarios we can have. We might fall back to to the falling wedge channel, which is around, yeah, I think it's almost around the same area where you have maximum support, which is at 55 300. If we break this trend line, if we break this channel, then only we are going to go around 55 300 or 55 400. That is where we have the maximum support, and that is where most of the key levels are. There are key levels at uh, let's see in daily. There are a lot of key levels I also see of the solid part at least at around 58 300. I remember the 58 around 58,000 was a very good support. So I see a lot of key key levels here, which could end up being a support, and or maybe let's say 57,900 could end up being a support. Let's see a liquidation. So we have a large liquidity around 57,900, 980 around. So maybe if there is a shadow, it may go around 57,800. Um, but looks like right now we are hanging around this specific range, which is the 58,007 to 800. But let's see according to the Fed. So in terms of if you see Fed, we we have not even crossed zero point 0.3 Fed, and zero point 0.5 comes around 56,577, and that is also building some kind of key level area. And if you see zero point 0.6, which is where I would say, generally market pumps around, that still comes around 55 500. So that looks like a viable area for a very good support. And I would not trade in this range right now because the market could go either ways. So we might have to wait for the support to form, or a bottoming pattern to form. Then we would see if we need to start trading. But today, obviously, I feel like market would be in ranging mode uh, within this area, I would say. So today is not a good trading day. I would hope so, because this area would still be in a ranging mode around 58,005, around 59,000 to 58,500 to, let's say, around 58,000. So that would be the likely range, and maybe it would push around a little bit one more time and then dump again. But unless and until we clear either this side or this side, the trade is likely, seems like it's not going to work out. There's no long or there's no uh, short right now. I would be basically waiting for the key level support to hold, and that is where I would like to start trading. So I'll be waiting for that. So we see a regression channel where the market is failing. Maybe the market is waiting for the pivot point, and it is also holding on the upward channel right now. Let's say it did hold around 58,100. So it looks good, but I would not completely depend on this because this does not look like it could go anywhere. This could just maybe range around this area and then clear this and then boom, go up. So I think it's time to wait and see what happens here. Today does not look like a good trading day. So let's sit on our hand and see what happens tomorrow. Thank you.